Watch the everyday language equivalent of this sentence. Did you hear what happened on last Friday? Did you hear what happened last Friday? Could you give me a more natural alternative for this sentence? He looked thinner than when I saw him in the last summer. He looked thinner than when I saw him last summer. Watch the conversational twist for this sentence. The last Monday was a terrible day. Last Monday was a terrible day. How would you say this after cough? In the last years, many people have stopped smoking. In recent years, many people have stopped smoking. For a deeper understanding, consider this. In recent weeks or months, etc., not less. In recent months, this stretch of the road has seen 3 serious accidents. What's the laid-back way to express this idea? First, we listen to the tape, then we answer some questions, and at last we wrote a story. First, we listen to the tape, then we answer some questions, and finally we wrote the story. Can you help me make this sound more like something a native would say? We went from one restaurant to another, but all of them were full. Alice, we decided to buy some pizzas and take them home. We went from one restaurant to another, but all of them were full. In the end, we decided to buy some pizzas and take them home. What's the common parlance for expressing this? As a dress designer, I'm very interested in the latest fashions. As a dress designer, I'm very interested in the latest fashions. I'll provide some extra details on this point. Last equals the one before this one, the one at the end of a list, sequence or series. Latest equals design, produced, published, etc. more recently than any other. What's the typical wording for this sentence in English? And last but not least, I must mention the climate. Last but not least, I must mention the climate. Here's some extra context for you. Last but not least, without that. Last but not least, I'd like to thank our sponsors for making this evening possible.